Hello, my name is Werner Absinger and I'm the chef de cuisine at Cygnus 27 atop the Amber Grand Plaza Hotel in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Today we are going to show you how long to cook stuffed pork chops that have Italian sausage in the middle. What we have here is we have the pork chop, a nice 12-ounce pork chop from our local butcher shop, Sobe Meats in Walker. Excellent stuff. We have Italian sausage, and then we're gonna have some cabbage salad we're gonna serve with the pork chop. Sobe's pork chop here, what we do is we take the white side and cut it. You gotta be really careful not to cut yourself here. And then you have a flap like that. You take the Italian sausage and stuff it in there. Nice and easy. And it depends on, you can make them how full or how little full as you want to. And you put that back on there. And then you put a little salt, pepper on there. And then if you have a barbecue grill or an inside grill, you walk it to your grill. So we put that on the grill and let it go, give it nice grill marks on both sides. There we go. All right, Phil, we cooked our pork chop, but we still didn't answer the question on how long you're gonna cook a pork chop. So Phil, how long do you cook a pork chop?
Well, chef, you cook it until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees.
That's it.
Yeah.
So let's see. Now, we are doing that at the restaurant because people always, they stuff them differently. People have different pork chops, they stuff them thicker, thinner. So you always want to go until it reaches the internal temperature of 165 degrees. That might take 15 minutes or 30 minutes depending on your oven temperature. So, Phil, I think we're good to go. So why don't you show the folks how we do it at the restaurant? We're gonna have giant corn, which we're gonna put in the middle of the plate. Also pozole, and it's creamed. Then we have some Asian slaw, which we're gonna put right there next to it. Very good. And then we're gonna put the pork chop on there. Again, remember, internal temperature 165 degrees. And then he's gonna use some aji lemon pepper sauce. There we go. And that is it. This is how we played our pork chop at Cygnus 27, isn't it?
Yes, and thank you for watching.